Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable cookies on AOL Mail. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in mail.aol.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official AOL Mail website. Now from the homepage, click on the login button at the top right corner and then proceed with logging in to your account using your username, your email address or your phone number. After proceeding forward and logging into your account, if you are not asked whether you would like to accept cookies, then in order to manually set this, click on the three dots at the top right corner of your web browser and then go to Settings. From the Settings page, you will find the Cookies and Site Permissions option. Go ahead and click on this, and now you can click on Manage and Delete Cookies and Site Data. Now from this page, you will find the Allow option. Go ahead and tap on the Add button, and now you can simply type in mail.aol.com in the site box and then click on the Add option. Once you click on the Add button, this will be added onto your Allowed Cookies option. If you wish to block this site or remove permission for cookies, you can simply click on the three dots at the right side and then click on the Remove or the Block option. Once you remove this site or block it, the cookies will no longer be accepted as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable or disable cookies on AOL Mail. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.